Welcome. In today's game is Subnautica, and I will show you how to enable or disable the subtitles in this game, so stay with me and watch the full video. Enjoy! So at first we have to open the options and then the subtitles. In here the first tab general, you can mark this on unmark this in order to enable or disable the subtitles. I can tell you that subtitles are important sometimes, and it is good to leave it on, so trust me and let's play with this game with subtitles. That would be all for this video. Thanks for watching, for your attention, and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.